welcome back to my channel. In this series, we are going to discuss on interview preparation for the DevOps lead or the project manager role. Okay, so this series and videos are specifically focused on how to manage the safe agile DevOps projects and how you can go ahead with the interview preparation for these roles. Okay, so we are going to discuss everything related to DevOps management. Okay, so if you are going to prepare for this role, so this series and these videos are for you only. If you are having any concern, doubt, or you are going to think that if this topic should be included as well, you can put it in the comment box so that I can go ahead and we can discuss it, right? Let's don't waste your time and let's go ahead and see how you are going to prepare for the questions and answer from mine. Okay, so I'm going to give you some answers. You can modify as per your perspective or your thinking, your experience, not an issue. But when these questions are picked up for you, which are really got it or discussed with the interviewers or even in my 15 years of career, I had faced these questions, so I have prepared these answers which are really required and expected from the interviewer. Okay, so I have prepared for you. You can go ahead and modify, but if you can get and take as much as possible and same, that is not an issue. Okay, you can go ahead and do it. So let's go ahead and see what are the questions and answers for you. So, of course, this is the first question every interviewer will ask you for any job positions, right? Yeah. So tell me about yourself. Then how you are going to present for this question related to DevOps. So I am DevOps lead, or you can say if you are going to prepare for the manager position or lead position, you can go ahead with this. Okay. So change as per your experience. Okay, I am a DevOps lead with around 15 years of experience, or you can go ahead with the 5 years of experience or something, because total IT experience is much rise, right? It should be 15 years or something, but from that you had gone through many positions, many roles or something. So if you are thinking that DevOps you have worked, just go ahead with that years of experience only. Okay, driving end-to-end automation, CI/CD pipeline, and infrastructure scalability for cross-functional product team. Yes. So my career started in software development, but over time I found myself drawn to the intersection of the development and the operations, ensuring faster releases, stable deployments, and the collaboration with the teams. In my recent roles, I have led initiatives around containerization with the Docker and the Kubernetes, cloud migration to AWS or and Azure, and implementing the CI/CD pipelines with the Jenkins and the GitLab. So I'm passionate about continuous improvement, reducing manual effort, improving observability, and the strengthening security in development workflow. You are not going to give your details whatever you have put it in the resume, because they are having your resume in front of them, so you are not going to tell everything from the resume, right? Like example, you have done the graduation or post graduation degrees or something. You have worked on the some certifications, and those everything they are having right in hand. You have to give them the elaboration status about yourself, your experience, what you are and what you are going to give them, right? Like reducing manual effort, improving observability, strengthening, right? Observability, the strengthening security and the deployment workflow or something, right? So what drives me in building a culture of the ownership and the reliability, where DevOps is not just a tool set but a mindset. I have worked across IT, fintech, and the take projects, and enjoy align engineering practices with the business outcomes. These are the domains, okay? If you have work on the manufacturing, insurance, or the retail, or any other domains, you can include that as well here in one liner, okay? Yeah. So this is all about yourself journey, okay? Yeah. Then the next question, why are you the best person for this job? If they have asked you, then you should tell about your strengths, right? So I believe I bring the perfect blend of the technical depth and the leadership maturity that this role demands, right? So from a technical perspective, I have successfully led multiple DevOps transformation, from setting up end-to-end CI/CD pipelines to improving infrastructure reliability using LAC, that is Terraform and the Ansible, right? Yeah. So and observability tools like Prometheus and the Grafana. But beyond tools, my strengths lies in bringing alignment between the developers, testers, and the operations, breaking silos and creating a shared delivery mindset. Okay, focus on metrics like the deployment frequency, change failure rate as well, and mean time to recovery, ensuring measurable improvements. I have also mentored team to adopt DevSecOps means security, right? DevSecOps practices, bringing in shift left security, right, and automated compliance, something I find critical in industries like fintech and consulting. So I see myself not just a DevOps lead, but as a delivery enable, right, enabler as well, you can say, right, delivery enabler who drives both culture and the technical transformation. So that's why I'm thinking that this is the best job JD, or you can say job profile for me, it's suitable for me, right? So in this today's video we have discussed two important questions, where the questions are, of course you are aware, but you have to present yourself as a lead, right? Because you are preparing for the management interviews, right? So just prepare for these two questions answer from your end, and just be with me. We are going to meet in the next video, and we will discuss the next question and answers which are coming into this series. Okay, so just be with me. Thank you, and subscribe, like, share my channel with your friends, your colleagues who are really require this help and preparing for this job role. Okay, yeah. Thank you, and be with me.